Madeleines, have you tried them? Let me show you how to make a gluten-free, vegan version with lemon and poppy seeds. This baked treat is simple to make, but you will need a few key ingredients to get the texture just right. To begin, you'll need the zest of a beautiful organic lemon, some freshly squeezed lemon juice, organic cane sugar, vegan butter, soy-free if necessary, and extra to grease your pan. Please see the recipe tips and instructions, as adding the plant milk last is recommended. Add the lemon zest and juice, some gluten-free, corn-free, and aluminum-free baking powder, sea salt, lovely poppy seeds. Then you will add 1/4 cup of each arrowroot and potato starch and white rice flour, and 1 cup of oat flour. If you prefer to weigh your ingredients, see the recipe for details. Whisk everything until smooth, sort of like a thick pancake batter. Grease your Madeleine pan with melted vegan butter. Fill each cavity to the edge, but don't overfill. Bake at 350 for 25 minutes. Once ready, cool in pan for 10 minutes. Carefully remove them from the pan. And finish cooling them on a wire rack. If you can't consume gluten-free oat flour, consider trying the almond version if not allergic to nuts. Just make sure to add the plant milk last for this option, as you will not need as much. Doing so could make them overflow when baking. But don't you worry if it happens, they'll still be great, just trim off the edges. Now the fun part. You can dust your Madeleines with some organic powdered sugar, or make them extra special with a little icing. Add straight lines, zigzag lines, dots, whatever you like. What a simple and special allergen-friendly treat. Now, let's compare the almond versus the oat. The almond Madeleines were lighter and cakier. Both were great, but the lemon flavor seemed more pronounced in the oat version. It was my favorite. And if you're wondering if you can use a store-bought gluten-free flour mix, I did try it and I did not like the texture. If you decide to try it, I can't guarantee that it will work. Once you make the Madeleines, let us know in the comments which version you tried. Also, make sure to rate this recipe directly in the post at the bottom and share your feedback. It would be greatly appreciated. Lastly, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more allergen-friendly recipes. Thank you so much.